Is there a way to infer in Python if a date is the actual day in which the DST, daylight saving time, change is made? I would like to infer in Python if a date is the actual day of the year in which the hour is changed due to DST, daylight saving time. With the library pytz you can localize a datetime and the actual DST change is correctly done. Furthermore, there is the method DST of the library datetime that allows you to infer if an actual date is in summer or winter time, example. However, I would like to infer the actual day in which a DST change is made. Concretely, I would need a function, for example is _DST_change date, timezone, that receives a date and returns true only for those days of the year that do have an hour change. For example, thus, in the above example the only days of 2021 for which the function is _DST_change day, timezone equals Europe/Madrid, will return true are March 28, 2021 and October 31, 2021. For the rest of the days of the year 2021, it must return false. Is there a way to infer this with Python?
You can make use of datetime.dst. A change in UTC offset is not necessarily a DST transition. For example, for TZ Europe/Berlin. Note, I'm using zone info here instead of pytz. For legacy code, there is a pytz deprecation shown. Here's a pytz version anyway, needs an additional normalize.
If today's UTC offset is different than tomorrow's, then today is a DST change. Today is defined in this code as midnight to midnight.
Fun.